Hello there! How are you doing? You have a fantastic look. Amazing people like you deserve to know how to make money online the way that we are. If you can earn money for yourself, you can treat yourself to a vacation or purchase something you've always wanted. And you can eat whatever you want. Because you click on this video, you will be able to get all of that. In today's video, I'll show you a totally new way to generate money online while you sleep. And it's all done on an autopilot system. You won't have to invest anything or ask for any financial advances with today's method. This approach is available all around the world, and you may use it even if you're only on your phone. However, if you have a laptop or PC, grab it and get ready, for today's live teaching approach is about to begin. Now, make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end so you don't get confused about the strategy employed today. Also, make sure you don't skip any sections so you don't miss any crucial information. Because if you overlook essential nuances, it's impossible to deliver your intended outcomes. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The first step is go to mangools.com. You might be perplexed because you've never seen this website before. Basically, this website will help you increase your search engine optimization, or commonly called SEO. It determines how high your website may appear in Google search results. It could also affect likely people visit your website and how easy it is to find. But don't worry, you don't need a website or any prior knowledge of SEO. Instead, pay close attention to ensure that you fully comprehend today's information. Now, you may learn more about their website by scrolling down, because this page will have all of their information. The next step is to create an account on this website, which is completely free. To do so, please look at the upper right corner of the screen or click on this icon right here. You'll be taken to a sign-up page right here, where they'll ask you for information. All you need to do on this page is enter your email right here, password, and confirm it here. Don't forget to click on CAPTCHA right here and click Create My Mangools Account. After doing all of those, this will pop up. We've sent the confirmation link to your email account. Before you can successfully sign up, they'll send you a confirmation email, which you must confirm in order for your email to be validated. Immediately go to your email account and look for their message. Their email looks like this. All you need to do is click on Confirm My Account right here. You will be immediately connected to your own Mangools account after you have successfully joined up. Once you're on your dashboard, it should appear like this. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Once you already created your brand new account on Mangools, just go to the upper right portion of the site and click on Affiliate, and you will be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, it says that new here? You should know this. Right below that, you will notice that their commission rate is totally insane. It's a 30% commission rate. All you need to do is scroll a little bit and click on Get Promo Materials. After doing the magic click, you will see this one right here. You can point to any Mangools, KW Finder, SERP Checker, SERP Watcher, Link Miner, or Site Profiler page. Just include your affiliate ID at the end of the URL. See examples below. And you should scroll a little bit and see the examples as stated previously. In other words, if customers click on your affiliate link and buy plans from mangools.com, you'll get a 30% commission. We will receive 30% from everybody who clicks on your affiliate link. sign up and chooses a monthly program on autopilot. That's per person. So imagine how much money you could make in a month, let alone a day, by doing nothing. Anyway, keep going and copy this affiliate link like so, and then I want you to go ahead to bit.ly. Bit.ly or bit.ly is a website that allows you to shorten links. To keep it brief and sweet, this is where you'll paste your affiliate link. Go ahead and paste the link you copied into this box, then click on the shorten button. Once it's short, you may go ahead and copy your short affiliate link and save it. The next step that you will be doing is going to google.com and look for any local business that you wish. You may also choose other businesses beyond your local place. Just go to their website and contact them, and message them that you can help them to increase their SEO, and of course, enter your affiliate link below. So the way this works is that you'll use your affiliate link to assist websites that really need to improve their SEO. The only way to get money in this way is if they click on the link, your affiliate link, sign up and purchase any plan. As a result, you will receive 30% of whatever plan they choose to go with. It's really basic. It's like you're leading them to access Mangools so that the platform can help them to have a better SEO. It's important that your email is properly and officially written so that they know you're a trustworthy source. Because you're a reliable source, make an effort to greet them. If they don't know what SEO means, explain it to them. Then give them a little additional background information, but not too much. Keep it brief, simple, and to the point. Then adjust your focus and gradually introduce your affiliate link. Submit your best wishes along with your name. Then hit send and wait for further engagement. I understand that this method is a little puzzling, but I've already done everything I can to make it as clear as possible for you. Just to give you a quick rundown, Mangools is a website that will assist small businesses in improving their search engine optimization so that their website can be found more easily on the internet. They may be able to seek assistance from Mangools if they go on your link. And most importantly, we will profit from each plan purchase they make. The good news is that it pays 30% commission. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.